Let's understand what stewardship means in business management. Stewardship involves managers being responsible for safeguarding an organization's funds. These managers act as stewards, protecting the interests of stakeholders who provided the funds. This creates a relationship of trust and accountability between the managers and stakeholders. Let's look at the key responsibilities of stewardship. First, managers must protect and safeguard the organization's funds. Second, they must make wise investment decisions. Third, they must provide transparent reporting to stakeholders. Let's clarify some common misconceptions. Stewardship is not just about protecting management's interests. It's not limited to product safety. And it's not just about workplace safety. In conclusion, stewardship is about managers responsibly managing funds to protect stakeholder interests. It's a crucial concept in business that ensures proper management of resources and accountability.